Hi everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a playlist on IPTV Smarters Pro. This is a simple process that will have you streaming your favorite channels in no time. Let's get started. Step 1. Launch the app. First, open IPTV Smarters Pro on your device. Once the app loads, you'll see the main screen. Step 2. Add your playlist. Tap on Add User or load your playlist or file URL. This will take you to the playlist setup screen. Step 3. Choose your playlist type. You'll be prompted to select your playlist type. Choose the option that matches what your provider gave you. M3U URL if you have a link to your playlist. Xtream Codes API if you have a username, password, and server URL. File or local upload if you have a downloaded playlist file. Step 4. Enter your details. Give your playlist a name, such as My IPTV or something you'll easily recognize. If you selected M3U URL, paste the URL into the provided field. If you selected Xtream Codes, enter the URL, username, and password exactly as provided by your IPTV service. Step 5. Save and load. Once all details are entered, tap Add User or Save. The app will now load and verify your channels and EPG electronic program guide. Step 6. Start streaming. After the loading is complete, you'll be taken to the main interface. You can now browse Live TV for live channels, VOD, Video on Demand for movies and shows, Series 4, TV series collections. If prompted to install or update the EPG, go ahead and do so for a complete TV guide experience. That's it. You're now ready to stream your IPTV content. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. See you next time.